Imagine a world where the sheer volume of data we generate every day no longer overwhelms our systems. A world where data processing and storage take mere nanoseconds, no matter the location or the load. What would it take to realize this future? Could the answer lie in the cloud or perhaps at the edge? Welcome to the fascinating world of cloud computing and edge computing, two paradigms that have revolutionized the way we process and store data. Cloud computing, as the name suggests, is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data. It's like having a massive, omnipresent hard drive that you can access from anywhere at any time. This eliminates the need for local servers or personal systems for data storage, offering both flexibility and scale. Cloud computing is the reigning king of the digital realm, its crown gleaming with the promise of unlimited storage and computing power, but even kings face challenges. With the rise of the Internet of Things and the explosion of data, cloud computing sometimes struggles with latency issues, bandwidth costs, and data sovereignty concerns. Enter edge computing. Edge computing aims to solve these problems by bringing data processing and storage closer to the source of data, or the edge of the network. Instead of sending data across long routes to data centers or clouds, edge computing processes data near its source. This could be a user's mobile device, an IoT device, or an edge server. This proximity reduces latency, conserves bandwidth, and ensures data sovereignty by keeping data within its origin country. Now let's distill these concepts into a simple comparison. Cloud computing, with its centralized nature, offers virtually unlimited storage and computing power. It's accessible from anywhere and scales easily, but it can suffer from latency issues and high bandwidth costs. Cloud computing is like a large, centralized power plant, generating and distributing electricity to cities far and wide. Edge computing, on the other hand, decentralizes data processing to the edge of the network. It reduces latency and conserves bandwidth by processing data near its source. But it may lack the raw computing power and storage capacity of the cloud. Edge computing is akin to solar panels on a home's roof, generating power right where it's needed, eliminating transmission losses. In conclusion, cloud computing and edge computing represent two faces of the data processing and storage coin. Cloud computing offers scale and accessibility, but can struggle with latency and bandwidth costs. Edge computing tackles these issues by bringing processing closer to the source, but may lack the cloud's capacity. As we continue to generate and consume data at an unprecedented rate, it's clear that we need both paradigms. The cloud for its vast storage and computing power, and the edge for its speed and efficiency. And so the future of data processing and storage may well lie in the harmony of the cloud and the edge.